In today's fast-paced world where electrical power is the lifeblood of progress, ensuring the reliability and efficiency of our power systems is paramount. Among the unsung heroes of this mission are the tap changers, the essential components in power transformers that play a pivotal role in voltage regulation and power distribution. But tap changers are not immune to the ravages of time and usage. They, too, face a myriad of challenges that can hinder their performance and potentially lead to catastrophic failures. Welcome to our channel where we unravel the mysteries of electrical engineering, one problem at a time. Today we delve deep into the intricate world of tap changers, exploring the most prevalent issues that can plague these vital components and the robust solutions that can safeguard our power infrastructure. So buckle up and join us on this illuminating journey as we uncover the secrets to keeping your tap changers in tip-top shape. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of tap changer problems and their fixes, let's take a step back and appreciate the crucial role these components play in our electrical grid. A tap changer is essentially a switching device that allows us to change the number of turns in the winding of a power transformer, thereby controlling the voltage output. Picture it as a dimmer switch for your home's lighting system, except with far greater precision and impact. In the realm of power distribution, the voltage supplied to various consumers must be kept within strict limits to prevent damage to sensitive equipment and ensure safe operations. This is where tap changers come to the rescue by enabling utilities to adjust the voltage levels on the fly. Tap changers maintain a steady and reliable power supply even as demand fluctuates. Moreover, they play a pivotal role in transformer protection, limiting the inrush current during startup and mitigating the effects of sudden load changes. However, like all mechanical and electrical equipment, tap changers are susceptible to a range of issues that can compromise their functionality and overall lifespan. Now that we've underscored the critical role of tap changers, let's dive into the most common problems that can arise with these essential components. One of the most frequent issues that tap changers face is contact wear. Over time, the arcing between contacts during switching operations can lead to material fatigue and eventual failure. This excessive wear not only reduces the service life of the tap changer, but can also result in increased maintenance costs and potential safety hazards. To combat this problem, regular inspections and maintenance are crucial. By closely monitoring the condition of the contacts and replacing them when necessary, utilities can minimize the risk of catastrophic failures and ensure the longevity of their tap changers. Deteriorating insulation is another significant concern for tap changers. The insulation surrounding the contacts and other internal components is subjected to high electric fields and mechanical stress, which can degrade its effectiveness over time. Compromised insulation can lead to increased energy losses, reduced tap changer life, and in severe cases, insulation flashovers. implementing strict maintenance protocols that include insulation resistance tests and visual inspections can help identify issues early by addressing insulation problems promptly, such as through cleaning or replacement. Utilities can safeguard their equipment and maintain a reliable power supply. Mechanical failures are yet another challenge that tap changers contend with. These components have numerous moving parts, including gears, shafts, and actuators, which are susceptible to wear, breakage, or misalignment. Such failures can disrupt the switching mechanism and prevent the tap changer from making the necessary adjustments. Regular lubrication, component replacement, and thorough inspections are key to mitigating mechanical issues. By adopting a proactive maintenance approach, utilities can minimize downtime, reduce repair costs, and ensure the long-term reliability of their tap-changing systems. Now that we've identified some of the most common issues plaguing tap changers, let's turn our attention to the crucial aspect of troubleshooting and diagnosing. Early detection of problems is essential to prevent minor issues from escalating into major failures. Fortunately, there are several methods and best practices for pinpointing tap changer problems before they snowball into costly disasters. A comprehensive maintenance program should encompass regular inspections, insulation resistance tests, and contact resistance measurements. During routine inspections, trained technicians can visually examine the tap changer for signs of wear, damage, or malfunctioning. Close-up shots of actual tap changer components can reveal issues like eroded contacts, damaged insulation, or loose connections. These visual cues are often the first indicators of underlying problems that warrant further investigation. For instance, inspecting the condition of the contact points can provide insights into the frequency of switching operations and the overall health of the tap changer. Insulation resistance tests are fundamental to assessing the quality and integrity of the insulation surrounding the tap changer's conductors and components. By measuring the insulation resistance, we can gauge the ability of the insulation to prevent electrical current from flowing to ground or other unintended paths. A low insulation resistance reading may indicate compromised insulation, which could result in energy losses, reduced tap changer life, or even flashovers. Similarly, contact resistance measurements are vital for evaluating the connectivity and condition of the tap changer's contact points. High contact resistance can lead to excessive heating, reduced switching capabilities, and potential damage to the tap changer. Performing regular resistance tests not only helps in identifying problems, but also provides valuable data for predictive maintenance strategies. By establishing baseline readings and monitoring changes over time, maintenance teams can anticipate issues before they become critical. Troubleshooting tap changer problems requires a methodical approach and specialized knowledge. Let's walk through a step-by-step process for diagnosing common issues. Begin by conducting a thorough visual inspection of the tap changer, looking for any signs of physical damage, loose connections, or unusual component behavior. Next, perform insulation resistance and contact resistance tests to evaluate the electrical integrity of the unit. Compare the test results with established specifications and industry standards to determine if any issues are present. If abnormalities are detected, isolate the problem area and take appropriate corrective actions. This may involve cleaning contacts, replacing damaged insulation, or adjusting mechanical linkages. Finally, after implementing the solution, retest the tap changer to confirm the resolution of the problem and verify that the unit is functioning within acceptable parameters. Practical maintenance solutions play a pivotal role in addressing tap changer issues and extending their lifespan. Let's explore some effective strategies for maintaining optimal tap changer performance. Regularly inspect and clean the contacts to remove any oxide layers or debris that can hinder proper switching. Lubricate moving parts to reduce friction, wear, and energy consumption. Replace worn or damaged insulation to prevent electrical and mechanical failures. Tighten loose connections to ensure efficient current flow and minimize resistance. Conduct insulation resistance and contact resistance tests to identify potential problems early. Optimize the tap changer's operation by minimizing the number of transitions and avoiding frequent switching. Educate and train maintenance personnel to follow established procedures and best practices. Keep detailed records of maintenance activities and test results for historical analysis and trend identification. By incorporating these practical solutions into a comprehensive maintenance plan, utilities can significantly enhance the reliability, efficiency, and longevity of their tap-changing systems. Remember, a well-maintained tap changer is a reliable tap changer. As we bring our deep dive into the world of tap changers to a close, let's emphasize the significance of incorporating the discussed best practices into routine maintenance schedules. By doing so, utilities can harness the full benefits of tap changers, ensuring optimal voltage regulation, improved power quality, and enhanced transformer protection. Embracing these practices not only extends the lifespan of tap changer equipment, but also reduces the likelihood of costly repairs and minimizes downtime. Furthermore, staying abreast of technological advancements and incorporating innovative maintenance solutions can push the boundaries of tap changer reliability even further. As we continue to innovate and refine our approach to power system maintenance, the critical role of tap changers will undoubtedly remain a cornerstone of our efforts to provide a stable and secure power supply. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of tap changers. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and never miss out on our latest content. And if you have any thoughts, experiences, or suggestions regarding tap changer maintenance, feel free to share them in the comments below. We value your input and can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, Keep those circuits running smoothly and efficiently.
So now, a bit about me. My name is Mike L., and I am an experienced electrical engineer who has worn many hats, holding key roles in projects, engineering, planning, operations, asset management, maintenance, and field resources development. I design and pioneer engineering solutions to propel the utility and energy industry forward. My passion within the industry has also driven me to develop educational materials for the new generation of utility and energy professionals. The knowledge I teach is not only based on my own experience within the power utility industry, but also on knowledge gaps identified by other professionals in the field. Learning from me will provide you with the comprehensive, fundamental knowledge you need to kickstart your professional career in the utility industry. If you are interested in what I have to teach, check out my courses at Udemy and connect with me on LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe this video. Bye for now.